There's about 17 average applications iPhone users are using today. So I don't think that there's any question about the data growth itself. Then if you look a little bit about the devices, now it's not any longer about voice devices. It's about obviously first and foremost the smartphones. It is about tablets. It's about laptops with wireless connections. It's wireless security. It's a whole host of different kind of applications. And again, one common denominator for all that one is that we're going to see more applications requiring greater performance on the uplink side. And obviously, if you look at this chart, you can then see, what kind of devices. On the left side, you can see what kind of devices are going to drive it, and then on the right side, you can see some of the. There's a mobile video. There's M2M. But again, as I said at the beginning, a lot of this stuff, gaming, video, is going to require much better performance from the uplink, as I said at the beginning. So what has then Magnolia Broadband done in this space as far as the uplink is concerned? We have created a uplink diversity technology, which is basically a beamforming technology for the handset or end user devices, not necessarily handset. It can be integrated modules. It can be anything. It's basically a beamforming technology which is going to improve the uplink anywhere between 3 to 4 dBs. So what does that do? 3 dBs at the edge of the cell about doubles the data rates. And obviously this is huge when we talk about in-building coverage, for example. Some of the key carriers have indicated, a little interesting thing also about these new networks is that when the higher frequency we're dealing with, and kind of the cell shrink. So the cell edge becomes a much bigger issue, how we're going to deal with that one. Obviously every single time adding cell sites, that's a very expensive thing to do. So if you can make the signal go further, like you can as far as beamforming is concerned, obviously that is less expensive way of covering the cell edge than adding infrastructure. The data consumption is going to continue being a major growth engine, and uplink is becoming a major issue. And I think that what we have done is developed very interesting solution. As I said earlier, it is not the only solution. I don't think that there is one single solution for the problem, but I think it's one very important way to improve the uplink.